and then this is Laura. Laura is P to Q at 10 a.m., right? Right? And the speed is 81 km per hour. And now you have another person, Mandy. Mandy is this direction, Q to P, and it's at 11 a.m., right? And then the speed is 94 km. Okay? Now, the question you need to, the first thing you need to figure out is, so for this question, this Laura compared to Mandy, right? Actually, Laura traveled 1 hour earlier. One is 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., right? So you need to account for that, right? So you just ask yourself, so when it's 11 a.m., where is Laura? So 1 hour of Laura's 87, so it's 87 km, right?
Yes.
So Laura will be here, right? Am I right? So at 11 a.m., Laura will be here.
Yes.
Okay? Understand?
Yes.
And then therefore, the distance for them both, that means they together, start together. You know what start together?
Yeah.
They don't start together actually. Okay? One person starts an hour later. It's just like tab A, tab B, you know. Tab A start first, but tab B will come join A, right?
Yeah.
You understand me, the concept?
Yeah.
So now you need to figure out that when they start together, it's at 11 a.m., right? Right?
Yeah.
So now they only have, what's the kilometer for them to travel? It's 221 minus 87. Figure it out.
214.
Huh?
214.
No. 221 minus 87.
Oh, 221 minus 87. 134.
So it's 134 kilometer for them to travel, right? So they say, what was the distance traveled by Laura when she passed Mandy? So in a way, right, Laura will continue 87 km per hour. Then, of course, Mandy will 94 km per hour. And somehow, these two arrows, they will meet each other, right?
Yeah.
You know what's the meaning of these two arrows will meet each other?
They meet each other.
Yeah. So what's the significance of this arrow meeting this arrow in mathematics? What these two arrow means? The orange arrow represent what? The orange arrow represent the distance traveled by.
Laura.
Very good. Which is 87 km per hour times the time, right?
Yes.
You don't know the time, right?
Yeah.
So I just let it be t. Then what's the distance traveled by Mandy is represented by the blue arrow, right?
Yeah.
So how do you find the distance for this part? Is 94 times t as well, right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Because I don't know the t, but this t should be the same t, right?
Yeah.
Because they start from 11, same time, right?
Yeah.
That's the key. Then after that, these two arrow, orange and purple, they add up to. They should add up to.
It's 9 o'clock.
The distance of town P and town.
Nope. Can you see? They travel 11 a.m. is here.
Yes.
So that means these two distance will actually equal to,
134.
right?
Yeah.
Can you see this? Can you see this? That's why I purposely asked you to watch out for the 11 a.m. Where? Can you see or not? So this will actually add up to 134, right? Done. You can find the time. So 87t plus 94t is equal to 134t. Is equal to 134. Can you help me out with the right hand side, left hand side, quick?
87 plus 94. 181. 181.
T is equal to 134. Can you quickly find me the time in mixed number
134.
or fraction?
Wait, what? 131 divide. No, 134. 134 out of 181.
Very good. And now your job is to do what? Your job is to do. So you just need to find. They ask the distance traveled by Laura, right?
Yeah.
So the distance traveled by Laura is from this orange plus the initial 87, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So how do I get the 87 I can account for? How do you get the orange? 87 times the t, right?
Yes.
And the t is actually 134 out of 181, right? So your job is to figure this out. Let me key in what you. Let me see what you key in. So it's 174. So to three significant figures is 105. Alright?